Hello guys, this is a updated bike check. I got some new parts for my bike and I got rid of that scooter finally, so that's a good thing, and show you the bike later on. But here's what I have on this bike. ODI long neck grips, proper TTXL bars, 8.75 rise, 29 wide, the S&M Redneck XLT. I love the stem. I like the color. Yeah, I like everything about the stem. I recommend it. Now going down to the forks. New forks, just got them today. I'm not a fan of Eastern, but better than my old forks. My old forks were bent, and yeah, these are Eastern forks. The 4130 chromoly. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah. And then brand new Eastern front rim with a fit FAF tire. 2.10 frame, Verde Prism, same frame as last time. Seat and seat post, colony seat post, like Verde cranks, Verde sprocket, bent it, don't buy it, it sucks cock. Alright, now moving on to the back wheel. I have the Eastern cassette back hub. It's pretty loud, and I have a Revenge Industries fatty tire, 2.10, and I'll give you the hub sound right now. Alright. Oh, and I have dual pedals and a KMC chain. So yeah, and a Verde headset. Alright. This is the new bike. I'm gonna start off with the frame because that's my favorite part of the bike. Fit Edwin De La Rosa signature frame. Wedge seat post, don't know what kind it is because it doesn't say on it. And a stolen Thermalite seat with a shitload of monster stickers on it because the dude put monster stickers on it. Fit DLR sprocket with Eastern cranks, Eastern plastic pedals. My old Verde forks, my old Verde rims, Demolition Trail Slayer tire. Odyssey Mike Aiken tire, 1.95 in the front, 2.10 in the 2.10 in the back front, 1.95 in the back. The scooter headset, don't know what kind it is. It's really fucked up though. Don't know what kind of stem. Maybe you guys can tell me. And my old Verde bars, which I bent, and ODI grips. So yeah. Tell me what you think of my bike. I know Eastern's not that good, but honestly, I kind of like these two new rims. So tell me what you think. Alright, later guys.